Coastal areas of Bangladesh are affected by cyclone, tidal surges, and flood almost every year. Natural disasters damage houses, agricultural crops, and people's lives and livelihoods. Potable water becomes very scarce in this area. Concerned Worldwide and its partner organization JJS worked in 140 villages of Bagherhat district to combat natural disaster and promote climate-resilient livelihood by engaging local community. Coastal Community Resilience Project have implemented different climate-smart initiatives to make 6,000 households climate resilience. Composite farming is one of the best examples of climate-smart initiatives. In composite agriculture, paddy, fish, and different types of vegetables are cultivated on the same land. If one crop is damaged, can be compensated by another crop. Most importantly, composite agriculture is climate resilient, profitable, and sustainable. In the southwest coastal region, scarcity of drinking water is very high. The project has supported poor households to install climate-resilient rainwater tank with cash grant to collect rainwater from households' catchment and store water for drinking in the dry season. The rainwater harvesting method is solving different water crises, securing food and nutrition, and improving their livelihoods.
ভালোই তো আছি সবজি বিক্রি করতেছি বাজারে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে আইলার পরে যে লবণটা ছিল সেই লবণটা তো এখন আর নেই
Besides, support provided to the poor for multi-layer vegetables gardening in very limited spaces of the households. In this process, farmers prepare compost manure in their yard and grow different vegetables throughout the year following seasonal calendar. This vegetable farming has ensured supply of nutrients as well as created additional income source for the households. Moreover, the project has provided support for duck and poultry farming, crop fattening, goat rearing, and several small businesses to improve lives and livelihoods. In the community, poor women have formed self-help groups to improve their lives. The women have received group training from the trained community service providers on climate change, adaptation, disaster risk reduction, climate-resilient agriculture, alternative livelihoods, women development, and other important issues. They are using group savings for different income-generating activities for sustainable livelihoods. Community Resilience Action Groups or CRAGs works for the community people to solve different problems. They are playing vital role for disaster risk reduction and disaster management in the community with the coordination of local government. Community-based pond management committees are working to ensure the storage of water in the government and community ponds to reduce the scarcity of potable water of the coastal people. The committees have taken different initiatives to protect pond water quality, pond management, and to stop the lease of government and community ponds. To ensure transparency and accountability, the project initiated complaint response mechanism. The project participants can complain for any project issues to Concerned Worldwide to receive solution. The project was implemented by coordinating with both government and private organizations. For example, polymer water tank support for the project participants at subsidy price, salt-tolerant seeds to the farmers at low price, mobile banking for providing cash support at minimum rate.
এই এলাকার জনগণের স্বার্থে আমরা খুব স্বল্প মূল্যে বীজ বিক্রয় করে থাকি এবং এই বীজ সিজন অনুসারে যে বীজগুলো লাগে এইগুলো আমরা সরবরাহ করে থাকি।
পূর্ববর্তী লবণাক্ত কবলিত এলাকায় পানি নিশ্চিত করবে সরকারের পাশাপাশি বেসরকারি সংস্থাও এগিয়ে আসবে এই আহ্বান জানাচ্ছি।
জেজেএস দক্ষিণ পশ্চিম অঞ্চলীয় উপকূলীয় অঞ্চলে দীর্ঘকাল যাবৎ কাজ করে আসছে। সুপেয় পানি এবং কৃষি জীবন জীবিকার উন্নয়ন বিষয়ে কাজ করতে গেলে একটা সার্বজনীন দীর্ঘমেয়াদী পরিকল্পনা দরকার। সবাইকে একসঙ্গে কাজ করতে হবে যাতে হতদরিদ্র এবং দরিদ্র সমস্ত মানুষেরা উপকৃত হয়।